me start. Okay.
South.
Here. Yeah. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Near this night, near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Near this night, near this night. Yeah. See? Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Near this night, near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Near this night, near this night. Yeah. Actually, this is the reloaded of how to auto-tune your vocal, how to auto-tune your voice, how to pitch your voice to sound good, how to pitch your voice on auto-tune to sound good. You know what I'm saying? So now I want to do the recording again. This is the backups. You know, these are the backups. So I want to do the record, and then I will show you how to auto-tune your vocal. My voice will change. Based on my voice change is for me to activate the harmonizer on the vocal. Just like this. Baby girl, now you are near this night. You see it, the difference. So let me start. So I want to teach the upcomers, the upcoming beginners, how to record their song auto-tune, how to apply auto-tune. So I'm going to pitch my voice to set and balance the speech to look nice, to look great. So let me start. Okay.
South.
Here. Yeah. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Near this night, near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Near this night, near this night. So I just do a recording. This is the lead vocal, which I just recorded just now. It's for me to apply auto-tune. But let me play it first to see how professional it sounds. Sound good, you know. Let me hear how good it sounds. Yeah. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Near this night, near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Near this night, near this night. Okay, let me start the work. Yeah. Let me go to settings. Search on my auto-tune VST. So let me load my auto-tune. So my auto-tune loaded. This is tutorial loaded version, how to auto-tune your vocal. So now what I'm going to do is, now my key is on C. I'm going to put it on major. So as I put it on major, I'm going to put it on fast, put the return speed on fast. Then the scale detunes, I'm going to set it on half of, not much, 450.8 Hz. It depends. I can increase it highly, I can put it mid, I can put it short, but let me just add my voice, my vocal, for me to be very assured. Yes, they sound good. You know. Yeah. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Need this night, need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Need this night, need this night. So it sounds good, but I'm going to adjust the frequency. There is a frequency inside the pitch I'm going to set in a proper way. That is very audio. I'm going to click on very audio, go to pitch and warp, then I click on this icon, repitch and warp segments. So it's loading. So when it's load, these are the peak wave, big get now you baby get now you sure, sound good. So this are the picture which you are going to be adjusting up, down, left or right. You put it up, this is up, this is down, this is back, this is front. So all these things, all these wave charts, all this wave picture, these are the picture you are going to adjust, which is going to make that vocal to sound good, to sound unique, to sound handsome, So these are the things you are going to need. These are the harmonizers, the pictures you are going to adjust, the pitch warp, the pitch warp, sounds, all these things sound like charts, wave signal. Just the signal. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Need this night. Need this night. So anyway, I've set it. It sounds good. So let me go exit. You have to exit it through this close icon. You come back. Let me save my projects. Yeah. See? Baby girl, now you I need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Need this night. Need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Need this night. Need this night. Hey. On and off it. Yeah. In the office. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Need this night. Need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Need this night. Need this night. So let me on it back. The difference with harmonizer, making your voice, your vocal to sound unique. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Need this night. Need this night. Yeah, I need this night. Hear the backups? I need this night. I need this night. Need this night. Need this night. You see? Everything sounds good, Now you I need this night. Need this night. Need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Need this night. Need this night. So please, this is the end of the auto-tune tutorial. So go to my YouTube channel, subscribe. All the whole tutorial is on YouTube. When you subscribe, when I drop other new tutorial, you get updated. So also like my page Tech Pro for more great tutorial for you to benefit, for you to learn. So anyway, this is where the tutorial of auto-tune has come to an end. Anyway, subscribe to my YouTube channel.